Hi guys, to receive this 4K dual display KVM switch and docking station for viewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it lets you have two displays in two different computers, which I think it's a nice option. Okay, there's the main unit. As you can see, it's really slim. And here we got the switch button, and in here we can place another switch that it's gonna be further away. Okay, we have two USB-A ports and a USB Type-C port, the 3mm jack audio input, and a mouse and keyboard USB ports. Okay, which I think it's really nice. Let's see what else comes inside. And here we got the power adapter, which is really nice, as you can see. And it goes right here. And we also have all the needed cables. Okay, the switch button with an LED indicator if it's the first PC or the second one, a Type-C cable, one USB-A to Type-C cord, another HDMI, and the instruction manual. Okay, which I think it's really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a quick read and test it out. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already placed. As you can see, these two screens are mirroring my main screen, and I have my main screen like a extended version. Okay, as you can see, I have it right here. I'm gonna open configuration and select the sound. Okay, and I'm gonna grab it and change it to wherever I wanna be seeing it. Okay, which I think it's a really nice option. And with just pressing this button, we can change which computer you're using. In this case, I am using this MacBook Air, but I have a Mac in this side that I have already connected, and we just press up the button, which is like this. As you can see, the second PC is connected, and in the MacBook, I'm gonna press it and it's gonna change to the other computer. Like that, which I think it's really nice. As you can see, I have the menu different. Okay, in my computer and in my laptop, I have different screens showing different stuff, which I think it's really nice because that means that you can be working on one project in one computer and then jump it to another one really quickly by pressing just this button and be working on another one, which also brings the possibility of using two different operative systems. In this case, I'm using the iOS system, but either way, you can change having one of the computers being of another system, just interchange it, and I think it's a really nice option. Other thing that I like a lot is that you have the USB-A ports in here, a USB Type-C, and another two USB-A ports for your keyboard and your mouse. Okay, which I think it's a really nice option. I have my keyboard in here, just connect it and use it regularly, which I think it's a really nice option, and it's really easy to use. You just plug everything in and it's almost ready, and that's why I will really recommend it. See you guys.